Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So today, what I'm gonna do a very short lecture today to explain the account-to-account relationship. Usually, account-to-account relationship is handy when you wanted to establish the business relationship between two portal accounts. For instance, a distributor and retailer, if they wanted to work together, right? So, for instance, distributor wants to have access to some of the accounts which is owned by retailers, then the account-to-account relationships plays a very important role. So I'll just show you. I'm gonna show you some of the configuration and how it works, and it's pretty simple to configure, right? The first of all, you need to have two accounts, which is enabled as a partner, so which is pretty cool. I got this Pyramid Consulting and this Burlington Textile Corporation of America, which is already enabled as a partner. If you remember, if as a partner account. So if you remember, a couple of lectures ago, I demonstrated how to enable um, partner accounts. So right now these things are enabled as a partner account. So if you wanted to disable it and try it, you can do that. So you go here and there's an option called enable partner account. If you haven't checked my video how to do so, could you I would appreciate if you could go and check that out if you don't know how to do that, right? It's pretty simple. You just have to do that, then you have to enable the user. um, okay, so that's pretty much it in terms of configuration is concerned from an account perspective, as far as to make an account partner account or not, right? So simultaneously, I've done the same for other accounts. Okay, these two accounts. All right, that's great. Now, to make an account-to-account relationship, you need to enable that functionality. Okay, so how to do that is pretty simple. So you go to the setup, yeah, and under setup, what do? You look for something called digital experience, right? You go to settings, and under settings, what do? Scroll down. There's something called account relationship setting. In my case, I've already enabled it, so that's why you see that I can't disable it. So you come here and take this option. Just remember one thing, right? Once you enable it, you can't disable it, as you can see it, right? So once you enable it, what will happen behind the scenes? Salesforce will create an account relationship custom object, right? If you don't enable it, you will not find that option. You will not find that object. Okay. So once you do that, you go to the object manager. You might have to tidy up your page layout on the account side, so which is pretty simple. So you go to an account under object manager. So what we're going to do, we're going to add the account relationship under the related option in a page layout. Okay. So you go to account, go to page layout, and choose your page layout, account layout. And under related list, you have this option called account relationship from, account relationship to. You just drag and drop to the page layout. That's pretty much it. Okay, so once that's done, right, you need to do two more configuration. That's pretty much it. So you go here, look for account, right? Go for account and come under account relationship data sharing rule setting. So this data sharing rule setting is very important. So what do? You go here and you click on new, right? I've already created it, but just to show you, just give the name and the relationship type, right? This one, if you're dealing with distributor, just make sure you keep it the distributor, right? And access level, whatever you want it to give, read, write, or read only. Object type, in our case, we are sharing an opportunity because I wanted to share. So the requirement is pretty simple, right? I have, one account, right? I'm a member of an account, but I wanted to see an opportunity from another account, which is a partner account. So we are sharing an opportunity using this, okay? And so I go here to pick an opportunity, and I'll choose the account ID. So I link it by account ID. Something similar I've done here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to account, okay, and I choose Obviously, I have a contact under Burlington Textile Corporation of America, whose name is what's his name, Jack Rogers, right? So when you log in, right, if you without this configuration, you will see Jack Rogers only having access to this account, which is fine. But I want him to have access to the opportunities owned by Pyramid Consulting. Okay, so how to do that? It's pretty simple. So you go to this account relationship account from. Just show you how it works. Just edit. Uh, okay, let me show you how it works. When you do new, right, you say from, give the meaningful name, account to, so you usually do Pyramid Consulting. Okay, just remember one thing, right? This one should match exactly the one which you configured in the sharing rule setting, right? Account to account. So once you do that, that's pretty much it. You don't do anything under two. You just only do under here, and then you go here, and then you log in under asset experience user. When you do that, you will read something like this, and you will see two accounts. That's pretty much it. Account to account relationship is the most easiest option when it comes to experience cloud configuration. So that's pretty much it. So that's the reason why I said today's episode will be a tiny one, because I just wanted to show you guys how to do an account to account relationship. It looks simple, but it's a very powerful feature to have. You might experience a scenario where you might have to share. You might have distributor or retailer that wanted to work together. You don't want it to use the sharing setting or other options. Then you can use this account to account relationship, right? So that's pretty much what I wanted to cover in today's episode. I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday. Adios.